This is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Saturday, August the 30th. Key points to go through. We're looking at dry weather with gradually warming temperatures through the weekend. It looks like we could see some isolated thunderstorms sometime mid to late next week, but there's still a lot of uncertainty with the timing as to when we could see that, and that would be associated with a next monsoon push of moisture from the south. Weather risk outlook calls for little to no impacts across the region for the next several days. Current satellite image just shows a few mid to high level clouds drifting through the area. High temperatures today generally in the 70s to right around 80 degrees. Winds generally looking fairly light. Some peak wind gusts of 15 to 20 miles per hour possible. And you see the humidity starting to decrease across the region with a lot of mid-humidities this afternoon in the 20s. There is a slight chance of a stray shower or two, generally across the Stanley area down towards Galena, maybe up in the mountains above Ketchum. But we don't think it's going to be too big of a deal. If it happens, maybe a hundredth or so precipitation from that. Low temperatures tonight should fall back into the 40s and 50s across the region with decent humidity recoveries once again tonight. And as we look here, we are expecting some stray showers, if they occur, would dissipate this evening, generally once again in the Stanley and Ketchum areas. High temperatures for Sunday, generally a little bit warmer and mostly in the upper 70s to low and mid 80s across the region. Winds still pretty light across the area with mid-humidity values a little bit drier, starting to see some upper teens starting to work into the region. Looks like dry conditions for Sunday. And as we go into Sunday night, low temperatures generally in the 40s to low to mid 50s across the region, but still looking at decent humidity recoveries at night. Rain chances for Sunday night, once again looking at dry weather across the region. And as we go into Monday, generally temperatures in the 80s across much of the region. Rain amounts for Monday afternoon looks like it's going to be pretty dry across the area still. So just to summarize, dry weather with gradually warming temperatures expected through the weekend. Isolated thunderstorms are possible mid to late in the week, although quite a bit of uncertainty into exactly when. So that concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you.